Hi, my name is Chris Shepard, Media Manager here at Groves Incorporated. In this video, we're going to show you how to assemble an AIC-36 or 68 aluminum install cart. Parts you need to assemble your AIC carts are the frame, 2 swivel casters, 2 rigid with brake casters, caster hardware, 3/8 drive 9/16 socket, and a 9/16 wrench. Take the rigid brake casters, put them on one side with the brake facing the outside of the cart. Take a bolt, put it up through the bottom, which would be the top of the cart. Thread down the flange nut and repeat for all 4 holes on each caster. Thanks for watching the video on how to assemble your AIC-36 or 68 aluminum install cart. If you have any questions, please feel free to visit www.grovesglassandstone.com.